Hi, this is Ken from Ken's Perfect Jams. Today, what's on the menu is tomato jam. Okay, I'm just prepping the tomatoes right now. Tomatoes are cut roughly, and then this this jam, much like tomato sauce or marinara or Sunday gravy, will go on the stovetop for a good 3 to 3.5 hours. Then it should be ready to jar up. And the beautiful thing about this jam, this nice old-fashioned jam, it's one of those where everything goes into the pot all at once at the same time, and then it just simmers low and slow on the stove, and every now and then we stir it, and it'll go for 3 to 3.5 hours. Then it should be ready to jar up. Okay, all the tomatoes are chopped, so now I'm just putting everything into the pot. And the tomatoes go, and they go with their juices. And when you're cutting up the tomatoes, there's no need to peel them for this. You want the tomatoes, you want the seeds. It's all just gonna, the seeds and the peels are actually one of those things that have natural pectin. So you want that whenever possible. So yeah, we're dumping everything in. Ginger. Spices, red pepper flakes, and salt. Lime juice. And sugar. Jammy looking. So on the stove this is going to go, no lid, bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, lower it to a simmer, stir it occasionally, let it go for anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 hours. So we're going to do that, and we'll come back when we're to that state so you can see what it looks like. I did neglect to mention one ingredient. I was wondering why it looks so dry. You also add tomato juice. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed that video. If there are any jams, jellies, or preserves you'd like to see me make, please let me know in the comments below and I'll add them to the list for future videos. A wide variety of jams, preserves, butters, and jellies, including the flavor you just watched me make, are available for purchase on my website, www.kensperfectjams.com, and that's perfect with a K. A direct link to our website can be found within the description area. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And I'd love it if you'd hit subscribe so that I can continue to visit you every Wednesday as new videos are released. Take care, have a great day, and thanks again for tuning in. Bye-bye.